So let us discuss the another example for the CLR parsing. So this is a grammar, and what are the steps we need to follow for the CLR parsing. So the first one is a construct a LR1 canonical form. By using this LR1 canonical form, we need to construct the CLR table. Okay. So by using this CLR table, we can parse the given string for the given grammar. Now, so whenever you are constructing the CLR table, if you don't find any conflicts, then what are the conflicts are there in generally for bottom up parsing? Shift to reduce conflict and reduce conflict. If you don't find anything in that table, so then we can able to say that the given string can able to pass by using the CLR table. Otherwise, that given string cannot be passed. So let us go for the first step. What is the first step? Construction of LR1 canonical form. Then this is a grammar, and for whenever you go for the LR0 canonical form or LR1 canonical form, first we need to apply the augmentation for the grammar. Then what do you mean by the augmentation? Derive the start symbol with the another symbol. So that is nothing but a augmentation. Now what is the purpose of this augmentation? In bottom up parsing, we are moving from leaves to the root side. So leaves nothing but given something. So leaves, we are traveling from bottom to the top direction. So whenever we are moving towards the top direction, you finally reach at the start symbol. But start symbol, whenever after you reach at the start symbol, we can say that we are at that position. We also visit the start symbol. We also cross over the start symbol. Then how can it is possible? If you derive the start symbol with the another symbol, then we can able to cross over the start symbol and reach to the some other symbol. So this is nothing but a augmentation. In augmentation, by using this augmentation, we can also visit the start symbol. Otherwise, we can only reach at the start symbol and we are stop at the parsing. Okay, so that is the purpose of the augmentation. Then let us go to the LR1 canonical form for the given grammar. Now, so this is our first production. So according to the previous slide, you just go through this augmentation grammar. This is the first production, second production, third production, fourth production, and fifth production. So we need to start the every item set from the first production, that is a augmentation production. So we are starting from the augmentation production. Now we already know that when you take the one item set I0, whenever you take the first production, you must be put the dot beginning of the right side production. You put it dot here and S followed by some look ahead. So what are the look ahead for the start symbol? Dollar, obviously. So this is the first this is a predefined rule for all canonical forms. So you should start with the augmented production and you should put the dot beginning of the right side production, and after that every augmented symbol, the for look ahead is become dollar. So you have to put the look ahead as a dollar. After that, let us go to the rule of the canonical forms. Whenever dot is in front of any non-terminal, then we need to derive the closures of that non-terminal. Okay, whenever dot is in front of the any non-terminal, then we need to derive the productions or closures of that non-terminal. So what are the closures of S? Here closures nothing but the production which are derived in the grammar. How many productions are derived? Two productions are derived. One is S derived A B. Another one is a B A. Okay. Now dot before the S there is a dot, so that you derive the two closures. In case of before the after this dot, there is no like a terminal, then we cannot identify the closures of it. But here after this dot there is a non-terminal, so that we need to write the closures of it. Then what is the look ahead of this S? We are derive the two closures for the sake of only this dot before the S. Okay, now also we need to write the look ahead of the closures. What is the look ahead of this? Yes, dollar only. Then the closures also will get the same look ahead. Okay, in case of after this yes, there may be a small a, then the look ahead is become small a. Okay, that is the things we need to follow. Dot is in front of the S, so that we derive the two closures, and the look ahead of S become a dollar. No other symbols are available, so that their look ahead also become a dollar. Now this production role is completed. Then let us go to the second production. Again dot is in front of the again a non-terminal, then we need to write the closures of it. So we should write the closures of it whenever you are moving over the production. Whenever you see that dot is in front of any non-terminal, we should derive the closures. So what are the closures are there? first closures. A derive epsilon, nothing but nothing is there, so that A derive dot. So this is a complete reduced state. Okay, then what is the locate of this A? This nothing but locate, nothing but for this A, what you are getting after this A, small a. So this is become a locate. Okay, you don't think about the second, don't think about the second A, third A, somewhere the A in A all production. You should think at only this position. Because of this dot is in front of this here, you are write the closest of it, and after this here what you are getting, what is the term, what is the character you are getting, small a. So small a is become a locate here. Dollar will not become a locate because dollar is will visit after more steps. Okay, but here for this a you write the closest of a as well. For this a, what is the locate after what is the next character after a only, so that you have to put here a. Okay, now again this production completed. Then let us go to the third production. Dot is again in front of the another non-terminal, that is a B, capital B. Now there is a capital B, so that we need to write the closures of it. Okay, closure, you are writing closure, then what is the locate? Locate is become small b. Okay, B derive epsilon, nothing but nothing is there, so that we have to put the dot directly. And after this B, what you are getting? So after this B, for this B you are writing the closure, and after this B there is a one character B, it is a terminal, then the locate also become a B. So this is entirely now I think so first one completed, second one completed, third one also completed. And after this dot any other symbols? No. After this dot any another some symbols or terminal or non-terminal? No, not available. So entirely the canonical form I0 has been completed. So this is a I0 item set. After that we should start moving over all production with the dot. Okay, so now let us go from the first production onwards. When you cross over the S, then what could be happen for this production? So when you cross over the S, nothing but it is a non-terminal, we are passing over the non-terminal, this is a go to operation, and you will reach at this at this location. For this production, don't change the locate. When the locate is created for one production, will not be changed. Okay, so for this production you are writing, and the locate will become a dollar. So entire production is becoming S dash derive S dot dollar. Okay, is there any other symbols after this dot? Nothing but production symbols. All production symbols are completed. There is only one symbol, that one completed. Now locate is become a dollar. So this is the one production. So let us consider is a I1. Okay, I1. The next, and this state, whenever you are reducing the augmented symbol, it is a reducing, nothing but whenever you are reach dot at the end of the production, then that is nothing but a reducing, complete reducing. Whenever dot is reached at the end of this production, then we can say it is a reducing. Okay, so here also dot after the entire production, so it is a reducing state. Now so where it is reducing? It is reducing to the augmented grammar, augmented symbol. So augmented symbol, whenever the reduction is created for the augmented symbol, then it is nothing but a acceptance state. So we can also call it as a accept state. The next one, let us go to the second production and cross over the capital A. So capital A, whenever you move over the capital A, it is also go to operation. Now the production is become A dot small a capital A B. Now after this dot any non-terminal? After this dot any non-terminal? No. So there is no non-terminal, so no need to write the any closures of it. Okay, na? In case of after this dot there is any non-terminal like a capital B, capital E, capital F, then we need to write the closures of it. But here it is a terminal. There is no productions are available for the terminals, so we cannot write the closures. What is the locate of this production? Dollar. So dollar to be continue. Once it is created, it to be continue with this production. Okay. Now so this is a item number 2. The next one, crossover B, capital B. So crossover capital B, and you will get the crossover capital B, B dot B. So it is a terminal. There is no closest you cannot identify for the B, small b. Okay. So what is the locate? Locate is here dollar. Dollar will continue with here. Okay. Now this is a item set 3. Then let us can you move? Can this dot move anywhere? No, because there is no other symbols are there. These two are complete reduced states in I0. There are 3 states are not reduced, but these two states are reduced. How could you say there is no other symbol after the dot? So it is a reduced state, and this one also reduced state because they are deriving epsilon. And three states are not reduced state. They can able to perform the shift or go to operation, but these are not called as a they cannot move anywhere. They are completely reduced productions. These two are reduced production, these two are non-reduced productions. This is entirely I0. Now we cannot perform the any moves over the derivation of A and derivation of B. Okay, then next can you move anywhere after from this production? No, because after this dot no other symbols are there, so you cannot move. It is completely accept. Now can you move over this production? Yes, we can able to move. So we have to visit the all symbols in the production. We have visited only one symbol in the production. Now let us visit the second symbol. What is the second symbol? Small a. So whenever you move over the small a, the production is become a dot a b. Now what is the look at? First it is created dollar in the from this state it is dollar, so that again dollar will come here at this position for this production only. Now but here see, after this dot what is the symbol available? Capital A. So it is a non-terminal. For non-terminal we need to write the closures. What are the closures are there for the capital A? Only A derive epsilon. So you have to write the A derive epsilon. But what is for this A? What is the look at? For this A you are writing closure for this A, and also you have to think the locates for only this A. Okay, not for this A, not for some other A. You are writing closures for only this A, so that we have to write the closure of it. Closure nothing but production which are derived by this symbol. Now what is the locate is available? Small b is available. So for this A the locate is become small a. Dollar will not become a locate because dollar will come after one symbol. You will get the dollar for the second A. So this is not become a locate for the next closure. So for this A you are writing the closure, as well as for this A the locate is become a small b. Small locate is nothing but what is the next character after that symbol, that is become a locate. Okay, now it is also not a full meaning of follow. Follow will verified in a entire grammar, but locate is verified only in that position. So in this position what is the after next character, that is become a small b. Small b is become a locate for this closure. Now this is another state, so I4 state after that. So also we can move over the again capital A. So we can also move over the again capital A. Again dot is again, so but this production dollar will not be changed. Okay, now dollar it come at this point, and dot again in front of the small b. There is no closures for the small b. Okay, so this is another state, and final state again we are cross over the small b. Finally we reach at the a b dot. We cannot see any other symbols after this dot, so that this is a reduced state. Okay, it is a reduced production. So here these two are reduced production. Here also it is reduced production because directly it is reducing to where? Capital A. It is because it is deriving epsilon. Similarly, let us complete the I3 state production. Now cross over B. Then what could be happen? B dot BA. Now what are the symbols are available after the dot? Capital B. So that we need to write the closures of it. So I am writing the closure of the B. Closure nothing but productions which are derived by the capital A. So that is B derive epsilon. But after this B, what is the locate? What is the next character? For this B you are writing the closure. For this B, what is the next character after this B? Small a. So small b become a locate for this closure. Locate is become small a for this production. Okay, for this production locate is dollar. Okay, but for this closure the locate is become a small a. Now this one also completed. Again cross over capital B, and you will get this production. And can you move anywhere from this production? No, because it is a complete reduced production. It is because it is deriving epsilon. Now this one I0 and small a. So this is also one of the reduced state. So this is entirely a canonical form for the given grammar. LR1 canonical form.